way. The same thing you just did, follow every step, and you will get a band 8, 8.5, or 9 on your exam. 100% guaranteed. If you can do this every time. Actually, you won't get a 9. There's one more step that I include in my course. It's too difficult to explain and teach here. Actually, the next step that you need to add in is using perfect tense. So you need to be able to use past perfect and maybe future perfect perfectly. So the next step is you need to talk about what someone else would think or feel if you change places. So in the future, I will raise my children with their grandparents so they can blah blah blah. Everyone should do this to shorten the age gap, or connect the different um, generations, to cut the generation gap or bridge the generation gap, and increase understanding. Uh, uh, I think if if my mother had been raised by her grandmother, she would have, or she might have been able to give me the skills that I didn't have when I grew up, when I was growing up, right? You have to be able to make a very complex sentence using the past perfect, present perfect, by using have, could have, should have, might have been able to do. It's difficult. It takes a lot of practice. It's best to read step by step how to do it. But I mean, it's something you can do where you're actually good enough. And if you can do it, then you can make band 9 on your speaking easy. Um, so yeah, good luck.
Thank you.
Uh, but yeah, so your answer was very good. Sorry, good. Let's keep going. Boo, boo. I don't know how to say it.
Yeah. Okay.
What's your name? Is it Boo?
Yes, it's big. It's mean big both.
Okay, okay.
Ignore it. It's not important.
No, I mean, that's fine. I just, I'm not good at Vietnamese, so I don't want to insult. All right. Generation, extended family, good for children or bad?
My opinion, I think extended family are good for children because it helps children connect with the elderlies and their like older generations in the family. For for example, if the children are like the other their parents are died in an accident or something, their uncles aunts can take care of them, and they can be feel like they're loved by the members and the relative. Yeah.
Okay.
What else?
Um, wait. You said, for example, you
Yeah.
did say past tense, but who was it about?
I didn't say who it was about.
Right. So it's actually part of it. It needs to be about someone with a name. So it can be you, it can be your mom, it can be your friend, but it can't just be in general. It does have to be about someone.
Okay.
So give me another, for example.
Can I use the
You
example
can
that I did?
you can say everything the same, just about someone.
Okay.
So
So, for example, my friend, his parents passed away,
mhm.
and now he's living with his aunt and uncle. So he